Aloha loves, I'm cleaning our Hawaii house today because it's a cloudier, rainier day and it just kind of needs a good tidy and clean up. So I hope this gives you tons of cleaning motivation. Click that thumbs up while you're watching today and make sure you're subscribed.
And I know sometimes it can be really hard to get started cleaning, but you've just got to start. And I promise you, you're going to feel so much better. So let's go.
Thought it would be different when I got my things in place, stuck in this commotion. How come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that.
And I'm cleaning with my cocoa butter cashmere scent. I love this one. It just makes everything smell so good. My friends who just stayed, every time I use it, they're like, oh my God, it smells so good and clean in here. So you can get yours on capandclean.com.
I'm just gonna keep dusting everything in here with the multi-surface cleaner. Seriously, it smells so good. You have got to try it.
Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same.
All right, I want to know in the comments, how is your summer going so far? What have you been up to? What are your summer vacation plans? Tell me everything. I cannot believe we have just 1 week left here in Hawaii. It's going to be really hard to leave, but I hope that you've enjoyed the videos I've made here so far. It truly was the most magical, peaceful, amazing start to this summer. And I'm just so grateful to all of you for making this possible for our family. And I hope that you feel all the aloha spirit in these videos and what I share over on Instagram every day. Just thank you all for watching and supporting.
And I always share with you guys the books that I've read that I think are great. So these are the 2 I've read so far on this trip. I'm in the middle of another 2 books because I started one and it was good, but then I got this other one because I had seen like a recommendation for it on Instagram and I just wanted to start reading that one first. So I'm reading The Teacher and Summer Romance right now. Silent Patient, I mentioned packing this one, finished it pretty quickly after we got here. It was really, really good. Like totally surprised me at the end, and I love when books do that. It's a psychological thriller, so you know, be prepared to be like a little bit scared, twisted, that kind of thing. And then this is called The Paradise Problem. It's kind of a stretch of a situation. Like it's literally in the first chapter, so I don't feel like I'm giving too much away. That this couple got married in college to get better housing and like lived together in college, but somehow, you know, never liked each other until 5 years later she realized that they didn't actually get divorced. Like the papers she signed weren't actually the divorce papers, and he needs to bring a date to this wedding so that he doesn't lose out on his trust fund. Again, all this comes out in the first chapter, but I will say it is like a juicy beach read if you don't mind the fact that it's a very far-fetched situation. So I read it very, very quickly and it's a lot of tension. So again, juicy beach read.
All right, now we're moving into the dining area. So I'm going to use some glass cleaner to get all the streaks and fingerprints off the table. I swear it's a million times worse in Hawaii, like the fingerprints. I'm not sure if it's because we're putting on sunscreen every day or what, but there are so many fingerprints on the table, on the windows, on the doors, on the fridge, the appliances. So let's get.
I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.
And I don't know if you can see, but there is a lot of crumbs all over this carpet, so it really needs a good vacuum.
Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. when the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign, give me a sign, oh baby, just give me a sign, baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign, yeah, give me a sign, yeah, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
Time to tackle the dishes. I had some in the sink and I also had some to unload from the dishwasher. So the dishwasher needed to be loaded back up again. So if you've got dishes to do today, you can help clean them and load them with me. Like I said, all the appliances and everything just had so many fingerprints all over it. So I wanted to wipe down all the appliances and also all the cabinets in here so that it was extra clean. So get up and get to cleaning with me. And if you use the cocoa butter cashmere cleaner, let me know down in the comments because it's my favorite right now. It's like such a vibe.
You're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the spark takes me higher, sweetheart. Let me be close to you forever and ever, darling. You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time?
After I vacuumed all the floors, I hit them with the wet Swiffer as well so that they were extra clean.
Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you.
And now it's time to tackle some laundry. So if you've got a load to throw in, do it with me, or let's fold that basket of clothes that you have together today.
What a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting.
All right, that is all the time I have today for cleaning because I have to go pick up the kids from their summer fun camp. I hope that you got a ton of cleaning motivation, and be sure to have your notifications turned on so you know every time I post a video. If you have any video requests before I leave Hawaii, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Aloha, love.